Hello students, today we are going to see the active and passive voice formulas. Okay, so we all are familiar with the active voice formulas, that is nothing but our tenses, and completely opposite is the passive voice. Okay, so let's see the formulas one by one. First is simple present tense. The active voice formula is subject plus V1 plus object. So we all are familiar with this formula. Now see, the passive voice formula is it completely opposite. Okay, first comes the object plus is, am, are plus V3 plus by plus subject. So example here is object comes first, that is a novel. It's a object, and as it is a novel is singular one, that's why we are using is. If I am using I here, I will use am, and any plural thing, then I will use are. Okay, so now a novel, it's singular, so a novel is read. V3 form of read is read by, and the subject is him. Okay, then same way, let's see present continuous tense. Okay, continuous means ing form. So active voice formula is subject plus is, am, are plus v1 ing plus object. So passive voice formula opposite, object comes first plus is, am, are plus being 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 plus v3 plus by plus subject. Okay, so example here is object, that is object is a song. A song is singular, so that's why we are using is. Being being. V3 form of sing is sung by Isha. Isha is the subject. So next formula, third is present perfect tense. Active voice formula is subject plus has a plus V3 plus object. Okay, same in passive voice, we are using object plus has have plus been, B-double-E-N. Okay, so that's lots of difference between B-E-I-N-G-B and B-double-E-N, been. Okay, here for perfect we are using B-E-E-N, and for continuous we will use B-E-I-N-G plus V3 plus by plus subject. Okay, so here the example you can see an article. Okay, an article, it's the object. Has, as it is singular, we are using has been. Okay, if I am using here I will use have, or any plural thing I will use have. Now it is singular, that's why has been, B-double-E-N, been written. Okay, return, V3 form of write is return by, subject is Radhika. Now next one is simple past tense. Okay, simple past tense, active voice formula subject plus V2 plus object. In passive voice, object plus was, were plus V3 plus by plus subject. Easy to learn. Here we are using is, am, are. Only that changes we are doing here, that we are using was, were, as it is past tense. Okay, the floor singular, that's why was. For plural we will use were. The floor was, V3 form of clean is cleaned by Rima. Okay, then past continuous tense, active form. Okay, subject plus was, were plus V1 ing plus object. Passive voice, object plus was, were plus again continuous is there, that's why we are using be. Here also continuous, so being been plus V3 plus by plus subject. So object is the wall, was being, V3 form of paint is painted by, subject is Nikita. Then past perfect tense, active voice, subject plus had plus V3 plus object. Passive voice, object plus had plus been. As here in perfect we have used been, same way in past perfect also been plus V3 plus by plus subject. So example, the floor, that is the object, had been cleaned by, what is the subject? Misha. Okay. Then simple future tense. Active voice is subject plus will plus V1 plus object. Okay. So here is passive voice, object plus will plus be plus V3 plus by plus subject. Example, the bag will be. Will is, we have used will also be. V3 form of save is sewed by Kriya, subject. Then last one is future perfect tense. Okay, so active voice formula is subject plus will plus have plus V3 plus object. Okay, same way passive voice, object plus will plus have, perfect is there, that's a been, plus V3 plus by plus subject. Example, the toy, it's a object, will, have, been. Okay, V3 form bring, brought, by, them. Okay, so easy to learn the formula. See, everywhere V3 plus by plus s, everywhere it is common, you can see. Okay, so easily you can learn these formulas, and also you can convert the sentence from active to passive voice. Okay, now you can see 4 formula, that is present perfect continuous tense, past perfect continuous tense, future continuous tense, and future perfect continuous tense. These all 4 don't have the passive form. Okay, so you can see that here only, as we know that tenses 12 formulas are there, but in passive voice, active voice 12 formulas are there, but in passive voice we are using only 8 formulas. This 4 type, that is present perfect continuous tense, past perfect continuous tense, future continuous tense, future perfect continuous tense, these don't have the passive form. Thank you.